In this guide, I'm going to show you guys how to fix something went wrong on our end you're on Amazon Prime Video. Let's get started. First close the Amazon Prime Video app, then relaunch it. Now try to access your account. Next thing you want to do is check internet connection. Ensure you have stable internet connection. You can switch between network, Wi-Fi and cellular data. Also give a first restart to your router. Likewise, if you are connected to VPN, disable it. Next up, check for app updates. So launch App Store or Play Store, search for Amazon Prime Video. After app appears, if you see the option of update, click on it and update the app to its latest version. Next thing you want to do is clear cache for the app, so launch settings. Go to the option General. Navigate to the option iPhone Storage. Find Prime Video and launch it. Click on Offload app, confirm it. Then click on Reinstall app. And that's it. By following these steps, your app should work. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share and subscribe.